letšatši la mathomo e bele la go balwa ga pego e fela lentšu la presidente ya mokgatlo Cyril Ramaphosa.
Let us start with our conference. Let us start with our conference. Let us
di ile la nwelela ka gare ga bao ba sa thabago. Bontši jwa bona ke ba lephaga la ANC ka KZN. E fela ANC Northern Cape e galemile ka bogale maitshwaro a.
That was completely out of order. Because we come to this National Executive Committee with 8 other provinces having pronounced their support for Comrade Cyril Ramaphosa to be the president, and KwaZulu-Natal is the only province that comes with their own candidate to become the president.
Zamane solo bušitše a re dipoelo tša maitshwaro a di ka se tšwele nkgetheng wa bona mogola.
The campaign of Comrade Zweli suffered an irreparable damage with us. There is absolutely no way I can't see how he's going to win this conference with this kind of behavior.
Bjale modulasetulo wa mokgatlo ka province ya KZN o re tseba seo se bakilego tšitšišo.
You can't be expecting almost 4,500 delegates to come and register, which is why the registration has delayed. KwaZulu-Natal, with the biggest delegation, has been prejudiced in many scenarios.
Mosekaseki wa dipolitiki le Sibatefo o re kgonagalo ke gore dintwa di gare di phutlamiša mokgatlo.
The ANC can't save itself from itself. Unfortunately, that's the truth. And I'm happy to some extent. It is good for it because the leeches, the careerists, the corrupt, those who have brought us where we are and the ANC where it is, once it loses power, they are going to walk away and the ANC can renew and metaphors in something admirable.
Go sa le bjalo go holofela gore ditšhitišo tša la bohlano di ka se tšwele pele go fihlela letšatši la mafelelo la conference go sasa.